Well, good afternoon, magandang hapon, and welcome to today's episode of My PI Dream. Today is going to be a very short episode. We normally do an episode at least by the weekend, and if you look over my shoulder here, we're actually in a Signal 3 typhoon here, equivalent to a Category 3 hurricane in the US. We're going to talk about that in just a moment. So without further delay, let's get today's video underway. I don't know if you can see, but it says here in Batangas, Signal 3. And that was as of 9:28 this morning. It's currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon, about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been getting gusts, like on and off with the gusts, the gusts of wind. We've had to close all the windows all around the house, basement and the 2 floors above ground, or it will just blow all this water. Tremendous amount of water today coming from this storm. You can see we have electricity. Obviously we have electricity here. The ref is still on, and we're not attributing this to solar. It's our backup of the backup, which is the reason why we installed the backup, which is the EcoFlow. Let me show you down in the basement. And down here in the basement, you can see all of our batteries are pretty much exhausted. We ran all night last night, all the afternoon, yesterday afternoon, all night last night, all day today, and then we lost Bottleneck, you can see, which is our utility company, which is the little red X up there. And it would normally indicate under the house net here, it would be lit up when our utility company now, but it's not. And the green light that you see right here is our emergency backup of the backup of our solar system here. Which is the EcoFlow is back, and it's dark in here because I have the electricity turned off to this room, but you can see it has a status for our EcoFlow battery system back inside here. And if you've watched the channel before, you would have been able to see that installation of our double automatic transfer switch up here so that we have a backup of a backup. Anyway, this is just an update. This is an update for the storm. If you have family or friends anywhere in the Philippines, anywhere from Mindanao, if you hear, that's the alert. We're constantly getting these alerts. And that is a red rainfall warning. It has to do with the flooding and some more problems associated with tropical storms, tropical depressions, typhoons, super typhoons, and the such. So we've been getting those warning alerts through the national alert system on the telephone all day long. So I just wanted to give you an update why we really don't have a regular video going out this weekend. This is Saturday. This is Saturday around lunchtime. I think this is going to continue up all probably through tomorrow on Sunday. We will do a status update up on Paeng, which is the name of the typhoon. We'll do a status update. Once all this is clear, we're not turning on a lot of stuff inside the house because we want to conserve as much electricity as possible for basically like mission essential things. So, because for things like the refrigerator, the freezer, so that the food doesn't spoil. We're not even cooking on the electric stove. We have a gas emergency backup stove that we use for situations just like this. Now, you never know how long the electricity might be out at your local utility company. And if it's for days, good thing, if this thing, normally when a typhoon goes, the skies usually clear up from behind it, and they will charge all the solar panels, and we'll be back on solar. Then we can use the solar to charge the secondary emergency batteries that we're on right now. So anyway, that is an update. We have electricity, but only emergency for a limited amount of time. And we will try to do an update, like I said, as soon as we find out what's going on. If you have friends or families here, hopefully you can get a hold of them. Hopefully they are not in harm's way. But I know this typhoon has done a lot of damage, especially down in the south. And I think it had to do with things like mudslides. When I say down in south, I'm talking about like down in the Mindanao area. This typhoon is huge. The size of it encompasses basically all the 3 major islands, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So prayers go out to everybody's families that are over here, friends and family, and we'll continue to monitor. So until the next time, this is me and Ness here trying to spend time useful playing some music, learning some music on the guitars, and hopefully we get through this very quickly, and so with everybody else here inside the Philippines. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Please share. If you have not subscribed, click on the little My PO Dream heart in the bottom right hand side of your screen. You'll be subscribed and notified the next time we upload a new video. So until such time, from right here in the very wet, very windy Philippines, you have a wonderful and blessed day. If you enjoyed today's episode and you would like to see more just like these, just click on one of the helpful links over to your right and you might be able to pick up on some good information on DIY projects, how to, or if you are interested in moving to the Philippines and building, you'll find answers there as well.